Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Here we are having trading sessions together, and if you're new to this channel or maybe you didn't subscribe yet, please don't forget to do that. So super easy, just subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up to this video and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. And all the important information about our trading today I will tell you right now. So guys, today I have a plan to increase my deposit from $505. I will open deals based on technical analysis. In particular, I'll pay attention on support and resistance levels, the general movement of the market up or down, and also using a stochastic oscillator. I will deal on a 15 seconds time frame. The transaction time will be around 1 minute. And my goal for today, guys, is to reach a deposit of $7,000, and let's see what happens. So guys, be sure to watch this video till the end. Perhaps you will like this way of trading using stochastic, and you will also be able to earn money from trading. And so guys, first of all, I will briefly say that the stochastic oscillator is an indicator of technical analysis, which shows the position of the current price relative to the price range for the selected period in the past. This indicator helps to determine when the price is going to change its direction, and let's look at the chart and find the first entry point. We see that the market is bullish globally. Also note that current support level in blue and the resistance level in red. We see that the price has reached the resistance level on the oscillator at the bottom of the chart. We see that both curves are above the 70 level, which indicates that the market is overbought, and also that the fast stochastic orange line crosses the slow stochastic green line from top to bottom. All these guys tells us that the price should soon go down, therefore I will open a deal to go down. The transaction amount is $500. The transaction time is 1 minute. And a minute later we see that our forecast was correct. The price went down and we managed to earn. Let's see what happens next. The curves on the oscillator are in the lower bound, which tells us that the market is oversold. As soon as we see that the orange curve has crossed the green one, this can be considered as a signal to enter the long. However, guys, it is also worth paying attention to the chart relative to the support and resistance levels. We see that the intersection of the stochastic oscillator curves, as well as the slight consolidation of the price with its overall growth. Let's try to open a deal to go up. Time is 1 minute. After a minute, we see that the price has gone up, although the consolidation itself wasn't enough for us to successfully close the deal, guys. Let's select the next entry point, guys. Since we have come to the resistance level, the stochastic oscillator is in the 70-100 zone. There was an intersection of the orange and green lines on it. It's time to open up. In short, I will open a deal with $1,000 for 1 minute. Alright, after a while we see that the price has rolled back from the resistance level. The curves of the stochastic have reached the level of 30, and now a deal closed with a profit. Be sure, guys, to pay attention to the fact that one arrival of the oscillator curves in the lower zone is not enough to open the deal, because the price may continue to move down and the oscillator lines may continue to oscillate in the lower zone. As we can see right now, stochastic has already gone below the level of 30. However, there was no clear intersection of the orange line with the green one. And we also see that the price has gone to update its previous minimum as soon as there was a clear intersection of the oscillator curves and a green candle began to grow on the chart. So I open a deal with $1,000 for 1 minute to go up. We see that the price continued to move towards the resistance level, and the stochastic curves also came to the upper zone, and our deal closed with a profit. Let's continue. We see that the price is being squeezed to the support level and the curves on the stochastic oscillator want to intersect. I'll wait until the intersection is more obvious, and now I can open a deal for $300 to go up. The transaction time is 1 minute. After a minute, we can make sure that my forecast was correct and the indicator helped us in this. Looking for the next entry point. Since we have practically not moved from the support level, there is still space to grow. Also, the stochastic curves are still in the lower zone. Based on this data, I put $500 to go up. So we see that the price although didn't show a big increase, however, this movement was enough for us to make a successful deal. Price rolled down to the support level. At the same time, the curves of the stochastic oscillator are also in the lower zone, below level 30 and about to intersect. I think this is a good moment to enter the long. The amount of my transaction is $900. After a while, we see that the price has strayed from the blue support level and the indicator didn't deceive us either. We managed to earn money. Very good entry point immediately appears. Stochastic curves in the upper zone have made an intersection and the price has strayed from the support level and has already made a small impulse upward movement. Therefore, I expect a correction and enter into a $1,000 deal. A minute later, we see that the prediction was correct itself and the deal closed with a profit. Let's continue. The stochastic line has touched the level 70, crossed and almost turned around. Therefore, I put $500 to go down. After a while, we see that the price retreated to the support level. The curves of the indicators went to the lower zone and we earned, and then a very good entry point appears again. Since the price has not yet strayed from the support level and the stochastic lines intersected in the lower zone, I expect the price to rise and open a deal with $1,000. And after a minute, we see that the price has gone up as expected. Wasting no time, I follow the same deal to the continued growth of the market. Since the price may still rise to the resistance level, stochastic lines have not yet reached this 7100 zone. And we see that it was a good point to enter into the deal, and we earned again, guys. I already have $7,713 on my deposit, so my trading plan is fulfilled for today. So I just closing all the deals and leaving market. That's it for today, guys, and as you can see, the stochastic oscillator can be a good assistant in trading. If you read the signals correctly and take your time, this indicator will help you to get a really great result in a profit. But don't forget that you should also pay attention to the general situation on the market and support and resistance levels. With the proper experience and systematic practice, don't forget, trading is all about your unique experience. You will discover that the trading is not a struggle for you anymore. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our trading session for today. If yes, please don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, guys, I have a closed community where I'm sharing my trading signals for free. So don't miss such opportunity. How to get into this closed group? text me a code word signal on my Telegram. The link will be down below. I wish you to have a successful trading session, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.